You are watching FaheemShaheen. Learn and talk. Welcome to my channel. Welcome. Parrot. It is a story about a parrot. The parrot is a bright and colorful bird. Parrots have feathers in many colors like green, blue, and red. They live in tropical forests and can also be pets. Parrots are good at talking and mimicking sounds. They eat fruits, nuts, and seeds. Parrots have strong beaks for cracking nuts and climbing. They are very social and likes to be around people and other birds. A parrot is a vibrant, intelligent bird. Thanks for watching. Thank you.